Thank you, Alan. A new warning about whooping cough cases now on the rise, right as kids getting ready to head back to school. Cases of whooping cough are spreading across the U.S., technically called pertussis, and it's a bacterial infection causing severe coughing. More than 6 times as many whooping cough cases were reported last year compared to 2023, according to the Centers for Disease Control.
It usually takes about 1 to 3 weeks after you've received any vaccine to get the maximum benefits. So you don't want to wait till the day before school to get your children immunized.
The rise in cases comes as new data from the CDC shows a record number of children did not receive their recommended vaccinations last school year. And at last